Celery-tasks not throwing exception in Django tests. I have a couple of celery tasks that are included in my Django tests. Unfortunately, exceptions are not thrown when tasks are invoked via .delay. I am setting celery_always_eager to true. Tasks.py. Tests.py. Output. When removing the .delay, the test exits with an error as expected. Versions.
Seems I additionally had to set celery_eager_propagates_exceptions to true. Celery equals 5.3.1. It is celery_task_eager_propagates.
Under celery 4.0, I had to use celery_task_eager_propagates.
Is what worked for me using celery 5. Documentation on config name changes. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.